Here's a truth most Jamaicans don't know. A large part of Jamaica's wealth is still controlled by foreign companies, not Jamaicans. After independence in 1962, a lot of Jamaica's most valuable land, estates, sugar operations, and bauxite sites were still owned by British families and foreign corporations. Many of them never left. They just rebranded and kept ownership. Even today, foreign companies control major Jamaican industries: tourism, international hotel chains, mining, bauxite and alumina production, banking. Many big banks are foreign owned, real estate, luxury developments and lands. That means most of the profits are sent overseas, not reinvested into our people. Jamaica is rich in land, minerals, tourism, but still, most Jamaicans stay broke. That's not by accident. Ownership matters more than independence. If we don't own our economy, we don't control our future. Do you agree Jamaica needs more local ownership? Type yes in the comments if you believe we can rise again.